We are going to do 52 times 32 using the standard algorithm. Please make sure that you estimate first. So maybe take the 52, round it down to a 50, take the 32, round it down to a 30, 5 times 3, and then put 2 zeros in. So 5 times 3 is 15, 0, 0. So make sure that you do an estimate first, and if you're in my class, either type your estimate into your Google Slides if you don't have room on your board, or just keep it on your board and then snap a picture. All right, here's how the standard algorithm works. It's a little different when you have 2 digits here. All right, so I'm going to start here with the dark blue, and I'll do 2 times 2 and 2 times 5, and that'll be my first line here. And then when I'm ready for my 3, I'm going to go down a line. So each of these 2 digits gets its own line. Then I'll add everything together. So 2 times 2 is 4, so I'll put it right underneath here. And then 2 times 5 is 10. And I don't have to carry the 10 because we're done now. So I can just put 10. Now I'm done with the 2, so I'm actually going to cross it off. We will cast it out into space. It was the imposter. We're done with it. And now we'll do the 3. But see, the 3's not here. It's over here. It's in this column. So everything we do with the 3, we have to start over here because the 3 is in the tens place. It's worth more. So everything it multiplies with is going to be worth more. Your 3 pushes us up. So we actually need to put a 0 right here where the 2 used to be. So that's the tricky part about standard algorithm, is to remember to put that 0, but then you're good. So 3 times 2 and then 3 times 5. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5 is 15. Then you're just going to add, and that's it. So 4 plus 0, 6 plus 0, and there's your answer. So that's how you use the standard algorithm.